What is up, my guys and girls of YouTube? It's your boy Justin Omoi, and I'm here with a video for you guys and girls today on Tone 2's Icarus. Like pit, like do 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 do. Okay, that's interesting. By the way, if you haven't seen the last video on Electra 2, go ahead and check that out. Support your boy. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it, because these type of videos and views and your support all helps your boy out. They say, hey, you're doing a good job, we'll send you more stuff. And you know, I'm doing a video to show you guys and girls more stuff. Sale up to 50, so they're still on a sale right now. You could get the whole thing for 400 or just the regular thing like I got right now for y'all for $180 instead of 200, which is still a cut. You know, any discount is better than no discount. So let's go ahead and hit play. Or oh wait, before that, make sure to hit thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell notification if you want to support your boy Justin Omoi, and you know, with all this stuff. Let's go ahead and jump into it now. Welcome to Tone 2 Icarus. This stuff got some nice stuff, you know what I mean? Atmosphere? Whoa, look at the oscillator. Octave 4. Oh, there's 3 different oscillators. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, this is just showing it. Wait, show me that cool thing. Oh shit, I don't even know what I'm doing no more. Yo, this goes in though. Look at all this. Oh, I don't know what I did there, but whatever. There we go, we got it. Okay, so wait, stop. Oh god, my ears, your ears, everyone's ears. Pretty damn cool though for atmosphere. It got some good visuals on this thing. I like that. I don't know what it is, but whoa. What the hell? Extra solar orbit. Godly, atmosphere is real. I'm gonna hit just one note. Whoa. Alright, we're jumping out the atmosphere. It's too atmospheric, it's too good. Bass. That's pretty cool. It's nice, punchy, straight to the hit. Interesting stuff. I never know or understand what kind of sounds these would work good for. What genre is that for? Honestly. It's kind of like Delay Llama in that bit. There we go. Okay, trap style mode now. We'll go back to the bell, you know, if we make a beat. I like how this one's more straight in the face in the middle, mono-ish. Well, it's not mono. You got a delay and go left and right a little bit, you know what I mean? I love how rich and tone these sounds are. Tone, literally tone. How do they do it? What the hell? Apparently we could import our own samples too. That's a lot of work. Alright, let's jump into a couple more I don't want to make this video too long for y'all. Hold on. I don't know why, but my microphone wire is bugging out and it's giving me these little click sounds. So my bad if you hear some clicks. Probably because its controller is here. Wait. Definitely a lot of sounds for that new style. Hold on, I saw something that said toys. I could see this being like a layer for like the 808 or something. Like just chop off the lower half and it's like a little, you know, like a shirt on the person's body kind of feel. Look at the filter. It's like you're popping a filter there. Popping a filter. You're popping a pimple. I had a nice melody just now, but I forgot it. Did that just say DJ Mustard? I don't really listen to much DJ Mustard songs, so I wouldn't know, to be honest. Aw, where's the thing? It has its own like reverb emulation there. That's a crazy reverb. Oh, let's see if X3 is nothing in there. So as you see here, we could, you know, add in FX and stuff like that. I haven't been talking about anything really. I've just been showing y'all, but it's just so good. EQ, low cut. Duck. Oh, we could change the cutoff here. Okay. Where's the glow? I don't hear the cut. Maybe I'm bugging out. Distortion. We can hear distortion, obviously. Bit crush. You got warp, wave shape, ripple, amp simulation. I don't know. Multi-band distortion. Godly. That's some next level. Oh, you can hear that duck, right? Say, that's tight. Okay, let's check out some more stuff, you know what I mean? How do they come up with these names? Silky plug. Synth. Ugh. Okay. I don't remember when the last time a synthesizer felt so nice to play with. This one's like... Hold on, let's play those stupid 7 chords. What's that, a 7 sus? And to think I only did like less than 1% of everything in here because there's a lot to do. Envelopes. So we got attack envelopes. Ugh, stop. Oh shit. So I get for getting Amazon cable matters. You hear that stupid click sound? Get out of here. Get out of here. Okay, hopefully that's not... Hopefully that's not a problem anymore. So you can see... Hold on. Alright, back to the program. The envelope works. We got a hold as well. A decay. Sustain. Let's see if that works out. You can see I'm still holding the key. Down, 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 boom, boom. Why? Why? Okay, obviously there's something wrong with my microphone right now, so I'm gonna end this video right here. Overall though, you heard the sounds, alright? I'm sorry I didn't make a beat. It's just I gotta like probably uninstall the old drivers, restart. I don't know what's up with it. I gotta figure it out. But I'm gonna leave you all there. Thank you guys and girls for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to support your boy, thumbs up and share and hit subscribe and hit that bell notification if you want to stick along with your boy. All right, I'm Justin Omoi. I'll see you guys and girls later. Peace. I'm out.